Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara, and if it's your first time tuning in, honey, you're popping. You're popping. Welcome. If it's your first time tuning in, you already know, like, you're popping. If you're on my channel, you're popping. Like, that's just how it works. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this crochet hair using the spring twist hair. I know like 98% of the video you've seen is like the spring twist hair is actually used to twist, but no, honey. Different on this channel. I actually use it for crochet braids, and I'm going to just keep quiet. I don't want this intro to be too long. So how this video is going to go is I'm going to do the intro right now, like I'm doing. Secondly, I'm going to show you guys how I did the hair, obviously, and the last part of the video will be telling you guys what I feel about using spring twist hair to actually do crochet braids and all that jazz, and whether you should buy it, you know, just plenty things at the end of the video, because I know some people don't like to watch intros. Anyways, guys, let me shut up because I'm talking too long. I love you guys. Keep watching. Okay, guys, I already braided my hair, and I just have one middle part and a side part, and I just have the rest of the hair braided all the way to the back. Now this is the hair I'm going to be using. This hair was sent to me by Samsbeauty, and I'm using the color T1B/BG. So it's basically like a mixture of burgundy and black. When you're pulling the hair out, you don't want to take it out of the gold tie. It just makes everything neater. And then what you want to do next is go ahead and try to fluff the hair out. You don't want to crochet it just like that. It'll be way too dense and you just have too much hair on your head. Go ahead and separate it. You can divide the crochet into two, but I didn't do that. Then next you're going to go ahead and take your crochet pin and just basically the regular crochet braid method, like you put the latch hook and hook the hair onto it and then just tie a knot. This is basically what I'm going to do for the rest of my head. Then I will switch it up to the the invisible crochet braid method when I get towards the parting space. One thing I will let you guys know is that you need to space this hair out a lot because it is already really full, and if you just go ahead and not space it out, your hair will be big and you really don't want that. I mean, except that's the look you're going for anyways. So far this is one pack, and as you can see, it is really full. I went ahead to start doing the parting space, and for the parting space I was splitting each crochet into two. I think that makes sense. I just took the hair out of the pack and I split it into two, just so that the parting space is not too dense and can't just, because if you make it too dense then you will not be able to see the parting at all. And I'm using the invisible crochet braid method here, where instead of pulling the two strands through the loop, you just pull one strand. And now this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, it is so big, and I was like, no, I just had to trim it because it was just going to get in my way. And I go to the gym a lot, so there's no way I can have this kind of big hair. So now I started trimming it, and I will not even lie to you guys, at this point I was like, oh my gosh, did I just ruin it? Because I felt like I cut it too short. But it turned out really nice at the end of the day. So basically what you just want to go and do is just keep trimming till you like how it looks like. And this hair was super easy to trim. The hairs were not just like they were not like a lot of stray hairs. It was just once you cut it, it stays in that shape. And yeah, just keep watching. So now I am done trimming, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, there is a drastic difference in the size, but yeah, that's it, babies. So yes guys, that's pretty much it for this video. That's all I did. now let's talk about this hair, because I know some people want to know whether they should use this hair or not. I would tell you 100% do it, like, because first of all, like, you don't use as much packs of hair as you would use when doing regular crochet braids. Guys, I used less than 3 packs of hair, and I literally had to cut this hair. Like, you know, you saw how big it was. Like, it was super big, and I decided to go ahead and just, you know, like, literally reduce it because it was so full. So you can definitely get away with 1.5 pack by just splitting each twist itself into 2, and 1.5 packs should be good. And I have a big head, so 3 packs of hair is very, very, very good because it is very affordable and the hair is just nice. I did not even have to use any mousse on it. Like, the curls just stayed well, it just stayed put. It looks really dense, it looks really natural. I wish I got like a color 1B. That way I would have left out my hair and like curled it to make it look more natural, but I did not. I wish I did. Ugh. Anyways, that's by the way. But literally, like, if you want to do that, just go ahead, get a color that is close to your hair color and just leave out a part of your hair and twist it to match the curls, and it will look like your natural hair. This hair is amazing, I really like it. Tying the knot, you know, sometimes with crochet braids, with some crochet hairs rather, when it's time for you to actually tie the knot, some of them don't tie well. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Like, I don't know why they do it. Like, you make a hair to be able to crochet it onto my head, but then tying a knot is difficult. How does that even make any sense? Like, you get, but this one was so easy. Literally 2 knots would do it, and like, it's very, very snug. What about this hair did I like again? I like how it was easy to, like, as you just pull it and trim it, like, there was not like too much stray hairs. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, there was no, like, when I trim here and I pull it out and there's another long hair, like, it was just acting right. This hair, I feel like it was made for crochet, not even like the spring twist that everybody has been doing. Sincerely. So would you wow, I can't speak English. Should you buy this hair? Yes, sis, go and buy it, because it's lit. You know what I'm saying? Seriously, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. Buy this hair and do this hairstyle and tag me on Instagram at Barbara Daisy. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Why was my video so high-pitched? Did you guys hear that? Anyways, moving forward, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, never comment before you leave, share with your friends. I'm sure you have one friend asking, like, I've been trying to find a nice crochet hair, please let me know when you find. So you found this video, just share it though, don't be stingy. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out, bye.